Don't believe anybody that will tell you that there is no profit in baking. There is profit, there is prestige. You know, that feeling you get that comes when they say, who is the baker of this cake? Come and introduce the cake. You know, the tailor that will make your clothes, they will not call the tailor out. But you see that cake, they will call the baker to come and introduce the cake. You are not only introducing the cake, you're also introducing yourself.
Yes.
Yes.
And your company.
And your company.
So, hi, I am taking you. You can call me Titi. On this channel, we talk about empowerment, we talk about entrepreneurship, we talk about motivation, we talk about skill acquisition, we talk about mentorship. So if this is the kind of content you like to watch, please go ahead and click on the notification bell so you'll be the first to get every update we make. Please subscribe to our channel, watch the video to the very end. Remember, we rise by lifting others. Today on the show, I have with me the CEO of CY Cakes. She is Cynthia Okpu. You're welcome to the show. We're glad to have you on the show.
It's a pleasure.
So we'd like to know more about you.
Okay, my name is Cynthia Okpu. I'm the CEO of CY Cake and More Enterprise. So in 2015, I went to Lagos for advanced class. There I learned Nigeria recipe, and Nigeria is really developed in baking more than in Ghana.
Wow.
Yes, because in Ghana I just learned the round cake, the square cake, but when I went to Lagos, there I learned how to do cake with anything. I can use cake to design the chair, the aeroplane, the snooker board, anything. And so I came back to Yanagua since 2015. It has been awesome.
Wow. So far, do you have mentors or influencers, people that have really motivated you in this baking sector?
Social media influenced me. I don't really have mentor.
Okay.
But my boss in Lagos, he has relocated to the US. So social media is influencing me to learn more, to do the things I see. A customer brings any cake through social media. Maybe I'll go there, watch one or two videos. If I don't know how to do it, from what I learn from social media or see from social media, put it to work. I get the result of any cake I want to do.
So from your scale of 1 to 10, how do you rate yourself? Are you successful? The business, is it successful?
And by the grace of God, God is faithful. I cannot say I'm successful because
you are.
Yeah, for the now, because I've not gotten to the heights,
top where you want.
Where I want. So success is a process. I'm in the process of getting to the main success of what I want.
So how do you handle stressful period? Let's say there's a deadline. You need to meet up a deadline and there are issues with the designs. How do you cope in such kind of situation?
Well, I don't work under pressure. Sincerely, I don't work under pressure.
No, we know you don't work under pressure. But I'm saying, for example, now let's say you put the oven in 120 and you're expecting that in 30 minutes time this cake should be ready for you to do something else, and you find out that an hour has gone, your cake is not ready, the oven is hot but you don't know what's going on, the cake is about to fall, those kind of period where you need to deliver this cake. What do you do? How do you manage such kind of situations?
I told you, I don't work under pressure. Because if you give me cake, you say you tell me that you want to take the cake, you want the cake delivered a particular time, I work and I get it delivered.
We are talking about, we're not talking about man-made pressure now. We're talking about some pressure that you did not bargain for.
Yes.
And let's say you're supposed to deliver a cake by 6 p.m.
Yeah, you said that.
And you've already baked the cake. Let's say something went wrong 3 hours to the time because someone else is watching. And the person is like, oh, let me learn from this person. So how would you manage this situation? That's what we are trying to advise somebody now. We are not saying you're in that situation, but
Okay,
how
okay.
would you
If
advise someone?
if situations like that arises, and maybe you have a deadline to deliver a cake, and you have a challenge with your oven, I think the first thing you need to do, or already know that you cannot meet up that 6 p.m. I will call the client. Please, I will not be able to deliver it at that time as promised. So you give me an hour extra. I will do it. I will get it delivered. Instead of the 6 p.m., I will tell the person maybe 7:30.
Okay.
Okay, if it is a birthday party or any party, I know that it will take some time before the time to cut the cake. So I will call the client. Please, I have so challenge. Give me an hour, 30 minutes extra. I will get the cake delivered.
We'll be right back after a short break. Don't go nowhere. Welcome back to the show. To my wonderful subscribers, thank you for believing in me. I don't take it for granted. I really do appreciate you. So we are still with the CEO of CY Cakes. Right now we are looking at what are the challenges in this cake baking industry. What are the challenges? Because it looks all nice from the outside. What are those challenges?
As a baker, we face a lot of challenges, especially power supply. Power supply, costs of materials in Nigeria now is something else. Like in the area where I do business, there's light out. So producing, when you want to cream your butter, it's difficult. Go to the police station to get fair price, it's high. So when you get a job, sometimes you forget to add this fare and transportation. So you see that what you charge, it's way too less compared to the your expenditure, the things you buy with the money you charge your customers. Then another thing again is, today you go to the market, tomorrow customer will call you, you will use yesterday's
Yesterday's price.
price
Okay.
to charge your customer. You go to the market the following day, you see that the thing, this icing sugar you bought yesterday
Has increased.
has increased. Egg price, I think yesterday somebody told me that jumbo size of egg is 6,500. I bought it 6,100 naira last week. So you see, prices of things increase weekly, if not daily, weekly. So I think those are some of the challenges we
Challenges.
bakers face.
So, what are the lessons you've learned so far as a baker? Because we're here to educate, entertain people. What are the lessons you've learned so far as a baker that you can tell somebody, "Oh, I learned this. You can copy from me, or you can do yours the other way."
Okay, I'm a proud baker. I a proud one. There is profit. Nobody should tell you that. Don't believe anybody that will tell you that there is no profit in baking. There is profit. There is prestige. That feeling you get that comes when they
Mm-hmm.
say, "Who is the baker of this cake? Come and introduce the cake." The tailor that will make your clothes, they will not call the tailor out. But you see that cake, they will call the baker to come and introduce the cake. You are not only introducing the cake, you're also introducing yourself.
Yes.
Yes,
And your company.
and your company, and you also let the congregation to know that yes, you are a trained person. Because if you deliver a cake and it's not well decorated, it's not fine, You will not be proud to come and be telling people that this is the rubbish you make me. Yes. Yes. You know, I'm proud of what I do, so I put my best in it. So I'm advising anybody that wants to go into acquiring skill,
Okay.
go into baking. There is profits.
Okay, that's amazing, remarkable. So, where do you see yourself in the next 5, 10 years?
By the grace of God, I'm seeing myself
As the top, at the
at the
top.
top, the very top, because I still learn. I still want to go and learn.
Remarkable. So, you were talking about motivating people to go into cake baking. Now, are you into skill acquisition? Are you into training?
Yes, I train people in my shop.
Do you do free skill acquisition?
I
Have you
don't.
thought of
I don't do free.
so if you want to partner with you, are you ready to at least one person? Because here we entertain, we educate, we motivate, and we empower you. The only way we can empower somebody is by giving the person a skill acquisition that the person can use to make money in the future.
Yes, because of the cordial relationship I have with Lady Titi. Um, you bring small token. Maybe I'll
Okay.
train 5 people for you.
Oh, that's remarkable. So if you're watching us right now and you know you're interested in these freebies, go to the comment section and write, I am interested. We'll surely get back to you.
Yeah.
So thank you so much. We are grateful. So at this point, this is where we say bye on today's edition until we come your way next time. Love life, live life, and enjoy your life. I remain your host, Titi. Atutale.